Alright, so I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it. See, no. No. You're gonna get flipped back over. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and today we are making a healthy meal. We are making kale wraps, completely stove-free, quick and easy. Let's get started. Of course, for this recipe, you're going to need kale. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did because I washed the kale, ripped off the bunches, marinated them with oil, and seasoned them up. All I did, guys, was rip the kale off into little pieces, put them into a bowl, drizzled with some olive oil. I didn't really measure, just kind of eyeballed it, and I put seasoning on it. This is not the one I used, this is just an example. Then I would just massage it in, making sure every piece was covered. And I stuck this in the fridge overnight. Here is the kale I actually marinated overnight. This is about 2 bunches of kale, and the seasoning I use for this one is actually smokehouse maple. I put this on darn near everything. It is so good, and I've used the rest of the bottle, so I will be going to the store very soon to get some more. My wrap of choice is Mission sun-dried tomato basil. I actually got this idea from a popular vegan restaurant here in Atlanta. I'll put it right here. I am hoping my combination of ingredients is going to taste similar to hers. Okay. Next we'll be slicing up some good old avocado in our wrap, some sun-dried tomatoes, some regular tomatoes, vegan mayo, and this will be a total experiment. I'll make 2 different wraps with this one as well. This is just cut up mushrooms and a white onion, but I marinated it in liquid smoke. Okay, that's it. Let's build this thing. The mayo down. I love this mayonnaise so much. Our marinated kale. I promise y'all I seasoned this. Let me get y'all closer up so y'all can see the herby goodness.
You see the speckle? Can y'all see? Y'all probably still can't see. It's okay.
Sun-dried tomatoes. Regular tomatoes. And our avocado.
Ooh, healthy food porn. Ooh, you better shut up.
Okay, so I'm not good at rolling, so we gonna all pray. Let's do this together. Okay, let's gather it. Okay, let's tuck it, right? That's what I've seen people do. They kind of stuff it all in that side, right? And they make it all hug. Okay. I've seen them do this. Okay. Is that it? Do we do it? Stay together like that? But, no, I mean, it didn't roll. Okay. I gotta focus. Ooh. Yes, vegan gods. Okay, so that's our first wrap down. Now we're gonna try the other one with the marinated mushrooms and the onions. Oh, this one's even prettier. Oh my gosh, bruh.
I gotta stop and put this on the gram. Hold on. Ooh, do y'all see this? Ooh, yeah. Yes, Lord.
Okay, let's try to wrap this bad boy that I made even bigger than the last one. Ye of little faith. Never gonna get it, never gonna get it. Never gonna get it, never gonna get it. Never gonna get it, never gonna get it. Never gonna get it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Never gonna get it, never gonna get it. Never gonna get it, never gonna get it. Never gonna get it, never gonna get it. Never gonna get it. Never get it. I'm not even gonna try to flip that back over because it's all gonna come apart. So we're gonna leave it like this and just cut it. It's all going down one way. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Okay, so here they are all together, the properly small one and the overstuffed. You can't even pick that up without it breaking apart one. But I cannot wait to try these. Yeah. I'm gonna try the one without the mushroom and onions first. Oh.
Why have I never made this before? So easy. Oh my gosh.
The bigger one. Here we go. That I can't pick up because I hope I get a bite of mushroom in here, y'all. I'm sorry. Ooh, I like both. That gave me that smoky taste because it was marinated in liquid smoke. Oh, that's good. Y'all make these. You know I always say that. I mean, it's easy. As always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I will see you next time.